In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Google Shopping hacks that led me to doing my first $1,000 day with Google Shopping in my Shopify dropshipping store. So stay tuned for this full video, and also I have a wonderful, nice bonus for you guys that watch till the end. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for hopping into this video. I want you to watch this full content because I really put a lot of value in here for you, but I want you guys to make sure to grab the free PDF that I have down below. You just simply click on that link and you can get that free PDF just showing you the Google Shopping hacks that I've used to increase my sales and that led me to doing my first $1,000 day. So take advantage of that. And if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Awesome. How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you the 5 Google hacks that I've used in my Google Shopping campaigns to see my first $1,000 day with my Shopify store. I want you guys to really pay attention because some of these things that I used actually helped a lot of my campaigns, and some of the campaigns that I thought weren't going to make money for me actually started to be profitable because of these hacks. So one of the first things that I want to show you guys is, really quickly, let me get to my screen, is that what you want to do is when you want to sell a product, you need to look up the actual you need to look on Google for individuals who are selling that product. All right. So one of the things that I do, like for example, there's a product right now that's really trending. Let's say all right, so Fortnite costumes. One of the things that you want to do when you search up different products is you want to use the keywords everywhere tool, and that's an extension that I'll have down below. And what happens is on the keywords everywhere tool, it actually gives you different keywords on the right hand side that you can use that's similar to the products that you're searching. Like for example, I'll show you guys an example. This is a brand new computer, so I don't have it on this computer. I'll show you guys here. So here's an example of how it'll look. When you search up those different items, it'll pop up different search related keywords and also different search queries that people are also searching for. This is very important because when you look at what people are searching for, you can look at for some of these products and keywords that are more profitable than more general keywords. Like for example, in the PDF, I used Halloween masks. So one of the related keywords for Halloween mask, scary Halloween mask, best Halloween mask. All of those were very broad. So if you guys were looking for a costume, just for the example's sake, I'm not telling you guys to sell this product, but I'm giving you guys an example of what allowed me to start doing massive results. So what you want to do is check out also the people also search for list. So one of the things that I saw here was purge mask. So I was like, hey, purge mask, light up. Okay, I said, hold on, let me look up this item. So I went ahead and let me go back to my, sorry guys. I went ahead and I looked up on Google Trends. I said purge mask, and I was like, nice. So then I went on Google to search up purge masks, and I said, hey, some people are selling this product right now. So one of the things that I did is I started to look at the other people who were selling this product. I looked at their titles, and I was looking at what keywords are they optimizing for, what keywords are they using. So I saw that a lot of them have LED. So I went back here and I typed in purge LED mask. So look at this, guys. people, the more specific you are and utilizing long tail keywords, the better the results that you're going to get. Because when we looked at purge mask, we didn't see that much of a peak as right now when we do purge LED mask. At this current time, the interest over time score is heading towards 100 and it's currently at 75. So that little extra keyword gave us better results rather than interest over time score of 53. These are the things that really increase your results. And I'm not saying for you guys to necessarily sell this product because there's a lot of other stores selling it. But I want to give you guys a nice example of some things that you should be looking out for. And also, you want to make sure that you're not the cheapest price here, but you're actually like somewhere in the middle. Like for example, $19.95, the cheapest is about $10. So maybe you may want to sell yours for like $15, $17, you know, around that type of area. You don't want to be the most expensive or the cheapest. That's one of the things that you got to understand, especially when a lot of people are selling similar products like you. So I would go to AliExpress, and then I'll look up this item. Then I want to search by orders. So this seller right here has 15,000 orders. So then I would look at how many orders have they sent out. What's the feedback? 4.8. I'll look at okay, they ship from China, United States, multiple colors. Then I'll scroll down. I'll look at some of the feedback. Product very well packed, very good, very quickly, match description, fast shipping. Okay, so I see that they're getting good feedback. That's good to know, because these are the type of things that I want to know before I start selling the product. Then I'll start coming down here, and then let's see how many they're selling on a daily basis. Okay, today's the 28th, and look at all these products that they sold today. All these products they sold today. All these products they sold today. So they're selling tons of these products every single day, right? And that right there is an indicator to me that this product is actually, I'm verifying that the product is actually selling so that I can get results faster. One of the things that a lot of people do is they don't check how much the product is actually selling. You need to verify how much of the product is going out on a daily basis so you can kind of see when can you start to expect some results. Because if other people are selling the product, usually when I see that, I get sales the same day or next day. But you have to make sure that you're using the correct keywords and you're looking at the competition to understand what are they doing to win. And sometimes you need to make sure that there's not too much competition. Like for example, this product, I'm putting it out online, put it in my free PDF as an example for you guys, and I go more into detail what I'm talking about. So if you guys if you haven't already, click the link below to get the free PDF. Also hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button for all this wonderful free value I give you guys. So, and then you guys got to verify that the product is already selling. You can also check on Facebook. Sorry guys. You can check on Facebook. Purge LED mask. And as we can see, here's an ad right here. About 3 weeks ago. 504 shares, 122 1K comments. And you can see that people are engaging every single day. 7 hours ago, 3 weeks. So we see a lot of engagement. So these are the things that kind of verify if a product is selling. And then all we have to do is find these products maybe on Instagram or on Facebook. And then a lot of people are going to be crowding the market up here. So we just take these products to Google and run our Google shopping campaigns. And that's how you just go ahead and start to get some sales. What you can do is also run retargeting ads, so that way you can maximize your sales And I talk about in my PDF about how you can also find products that are selling on a long-term basis, and how you need to make sure that when you are creating your descriptions, you include keywords, those profitable keywords in your description. Because one of the things that Google really likes to see is that you have all the keywords in your title, your pricing, your keywording in your description, and they also want to just make sure that you actually have the right amount of bids, because the bids do matter. You want to make sure that you're bidding the right amount. I always suggest people to start off with maximize clicks and start off with $1 cost per click, and then optimize the campaign down as you go. One of the things that I love about some of the tools that you guys will see in the free PDF that I'll give you guys is that I'll show you the cost per click on average for whatever product that you're looking to sell. Guys, use this method, because this method is allowing people to see their first $500 and $1,000 days, because you want to test products on a daily basis. If you're testing products that you see are getting sales on a daily basis, and you're always removing products as you see that they're not getting you as much results as you'd like, if you spend a certain amount of money for a product and you don't get any sales, you need to cut those ads very quickly. A lot of people, they don't really get the results they want because they keep trying to make products that aren't working to work. What I do is when I see a product's not working, I usually just remove it completely from my store. And some products aren't going to work. That's just how the game works. But you always have to keep going back at it and adding new products, removing, optimizing your campaigns, and really making sure you're doing your research. It takes time, but it's definitely worth it, especially when the cha-ching start coming in and your sales start really going out the roof. So like, for example, I was also looking at Fortnite costumes. So look at Fortnite costumes, but we can be a little bit more specific, and we might say drift. I guess that's like a character. So it looks like this trend was dying a little bit, but as you guys can see, if you type in Fortnite costumes and you type in drift mask is more buyer intent. You need to make sure your keywords are targeting your actual buyers. So people who are typing Fortnite costumes, they might not be looking for your product. But if you have your title as drift mask, this is more specific. So look what products come up when you type in drift mask. When you type in Fortnite costumes, look what products come up. It's a whole bunch of different things. So you could lose money because it's not as targeted as maybe drift mask or Fortnite drift mask. I don't know if you can sell this product because, of course, Fortnite is trademarked, but I'm just giving you guys an example. But if you call it drift mask, I don't think that's anything. But yeah, so look at the difference. That's why I really suggest get the PDF I have down below, because you guys need to use that as a reference for when you're looking at products, and join my free Facebook group to make sure that you get some of the free live videos I give showing you guys different hot products. I give you guys different lessons and tips that I've used to really take my business to the next level. So you want to make sure you're priced competitively. Make sure you're doing your research on what other competitors are using for their keywords. Make sure you do the keyword research and trend research on those keywords that you want to use, because some keywords are going to be more profitable than others. And then not only that, make sure you have a good description. You need to have a description that is optimized with the keywords, and also is written to make the customer desire your product, right? Create some sense of urgency, give them some imagery, make them picture themselves having the product, give them the benefits, let them know what they'll be missing out if they don't get the product today. Things of that nature is what you should be focusing on to get the product sold. So I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys love this content. I'm giving you guys just straight value bombs. Give me a like, a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed some of this content, and also get the free PDF so that way you guys can go ahead and get all this wonderful value I'm putting out for you guys. So I'm going to be doing more videos like this, so hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my Facebook group. Peace.